What's up everyone? This is Derek House, the protein chef. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different and make dinner plus dessert using one main ingredient. Today that ingredient is gonna be cottage cheese. Now if you're not a fan of plain cottage cheese, I promise you that after you try either one of these recipes, you will be. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so today we use cottage cheese. What ingredient would you like to see me use in the next episode? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, and of course, stay healthy.